Do you remember those days? When a BlackBerry phone wasn't just a phone, it was a status symbol. In the sea of iPhones and Androids, do you ever miss that king who once ruled the mobile world? If your heart still yearns for that physical keyboard, and that distinct BlackBerry feel, then friends, brace yourselves. Because the legend is back. Meet the BlackBerry Classic 2026. This isn't just a comeback, it's a jaw-dropping combination of that iconic vintage style, and today's cutting-edge features, something you never thought possible. So, without any further delay, let's unveil every single feature, the price, and the launch date of this phone. Let's get started. Features of the BlackBerry Classic 5G. Design and display. First, let's talk about its soul, the design. Folks, this is a triple treat for retro design lovers. You're getting back that iconic physical keyboard, that classic trackpad, and the essential LED notification light. But wait, that's just the trailer. This time, BlackBerry is giving it a 4.56-inch Full HD display, and alongside it, a major upgrade, a 90Hz refresh rate. That means your typing will be smoother than ever, and the screen will scroll like butter. Modern speed in a classic look. How amazing is that? Camera setup. Now we come to the section that will genuinely surprise you, the camera. BlackBerry has decided it will not be left behind this time. You're getting a 100-megapixel single primary camera. Yes, you heard that right. 100 megapixels. This camera will deliver such stunning, detailed images that you'll be astonished yourself. And for the selfie lovers, you get a powerful 16-megapixel front shooter, processor and OS. And what's the powerhouse driving this machine? No lightweight processor here, it's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. This is the powerhouse found in today's premium flagship phones. Whether you're doing heavy multitasking or playing the latest games, this phone will not lag, at all. In the operating system, Android 15. That means the latest apps, incredible security, and the pure joy of Android on a physical keyboard. BlackBerry fans, buckle up. Battery backup. Now for the feature that is always expected from a BlackBerry, the battery. This classic 5G packs a powerful 5000 mAh battery. And listen to this claim, it can easily last 2 to 3 days with normal use. Say goodbye to charging anxiety. Price and launch date. Now for the biggest question. How heavy will this phone be on your wallet? According to leaks, the estimated price could be around $400. Considering the features and the massive hit of nostalgia, this is an absolutely fantastic deal. When does it launch? And when will it launch? We expect it to be in your hands by the middle of next year. Final verdict. Friends, this phone isn't just nostalgia, it's the legacy of yesterday powered by the technology of today. So, you tell me, are you ready to replace your old phone with this brand new BlackBerry Classic 5G? Let us know in the comments below.